Njogu Wa Njoroge, he's a very private man uria tumuonaga guku nenda-ini, ti mundu wa guthi akianikaga family yake, especially the first family kana ciana cia mutumia wake wa mbere. And for the first time ni arakorirwo aki-introduce muiretu wake ena gikeno kiingi muno. Muiretu uyu etagwo Njogu na atwitwo mami wa Njogu Wa Njoroge, and arakorwo Njogu agitwira ati muiretu uyu ni agakorwo kuria mwena wa KTN introduce biashara ciake na maundu maria akoragwo agika. Njogu Wa Njoroge ni arakorirwo agishare a video ya muiretu uyu wake ekuria mwena wa KTN agika intro ya Everyday Woman iria iyaga every Saturday at 7:30 PM, kuonania muiretu wake ni agakorwo agifeature in that show on Saturday, na koguo agakorwo akira andu magakorwo makimwirorera mone wira uria akoragwo akiruta.
Hi, my name is Njogu, founder and CEO of Intimate Gifts Kenya, an interior designer. It's up to you to wake up at 4 a.m., 3 a.m. Go get the work done because time waits for no one. Catch my story this Saturday at 7:30 p.m. on Everyday Woman.
Oroho ni turikitie kumenya ati Maureen niwe CEO na founder wa Intimate Gifts Kenya na Intimate Flower Supply, na ino ni duka ikoragwo kuria mwena wa Instagram kuria akoragwo akimarket biashara yake, na agakorwo agikiuga ati it is one of the leading gift shop for corporate and personal gifts. Koguo ungikorwo ukienda gutumira murata waku, mwendwa waku mahua kana any gift, no ukorwo ukimuhuthira, na agagikorwo akionania sample cia mawira maria akoragwo akiruta. Thank you for watching, na ndugakiriganirwo ni kuhitha subscribe button na make sure that the notification bell is on, na hangikorwo ni gucokereria rita ringi. Thank you muno ni gusupport channel yakwa, na tuonane in the next video. Bye bye.